Being successful in business often requires being fast, efficient, and cost-effective. 3 qualities exhibited in the PortaFab Quick Ship program. The innovative design and interchangeability of our engineered components enables us to ship most standard Inplant offices and buildings within 5 days. No need for architects or engineers. Simply decide how much space you need and configure your unit. Quick Ship units come in 30 standard sizes from 8 feet by 8 feet to 20 feet by 40 feet, with internal wall heights of 8 or 9 feet, and can be configured as 2, 3, or 4 wall buildings. Each unit is constructed with our innovative OmniFlex stud system and sturdy galvanized steel floor tracks that hold prefabricated wall panels in place for quick and easy installation, which requires no on-site fabrication. A removable snap-in cover plate allows for wiring capabilities, simplifying the integration of electrical and data. For even greater convenience, buildings can be outfitted with a pre-engineered, snap-together modular wiring system. When complete, the color-coordinated panels, studs, doors, and trim bring a professional front office look to your facility. So, if you need office space in your facility, consider PortaFab Quick Ship offices. You'll enjoy a quick, clean installation with minimal disruption, and if you need to expand or relocate in the future, our Quick Ship units feature the same versatility as all of our modular building solutions. PortaFab, construction made easy.